Welcome back to the SAT Jam session with Adams High School teachers. All right, we got a problem here, an equation problem. And truthfully, on most type of standardized tests, the equation is going to take up 30–40% of the problems at least. So if you get the basic concept of how to solve an equation, you're going to be able to solve a lot of them. So we got this problem, 9 times the quantity of 4x plus 5. Subtract the quantity of 50 plus 10x, and that equals 47. So we're going to go to another board and have it written for us right now. So let's talk about this thing here. The biggest property in algebra that we want to use a lot of times is called the distributive property. So I'm going to distribute the 9. And now, you're going to see some videos, some teachers like Mr. Burkhardt, and sometimes they'll put a 1 here. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to shoot the negative through. I'm going to change the signs because when the opposite, the negative something is the opposite. So I got 36x plus 45. Now I'm going to shoot the negative through. So whatever I see, I write the opposite. So that's negative 50 because that's the opposite of that positive 50 right there, and a negative 10x. And that all equals 47. So that's the first step, distribute. Now, we have 2 sides of an equation. We know that whatever you do to one side, you do to the other. So I'm looking here, I got 2 variables and they're on the same side. So we're going to combine these. In my class, we call it squishing. 36 minus 10 is 26x. I got 45 minus 50, so that's going to give me a negative 5 on this side, and that cleans up to 47 on the other side. So now we have a little simpler equation to solve. And now remember, whatever I do to one side, do to the other. So I'm going to add 5 to both sides. I got 26x equals 52. Divide both sides by 26. And then this thing comes out what I call pretty. Comes out to be an answer to be positive 2. So that's the answer. So I go back to the original problem. The answer is 2. So I can put it in any of the boxes. I'll put it here. So then I just got to make sure, I'm not going to show it here, but then you go down here, you color the circle in with the 2 in that column, and then you're done. Thank you. Have a nice day. Don't forget the jam session we're doing.